Okay, moment of truth. So I've taken the SID chip out, left the VIC in, PLA's in there, keyboard is in the same state as you saw it. I have a new power supply, and we're going to see if this turns on or not. I have no idea if this will work, but let's see. So let's go for the main power. And let's see if we turn on, what happens. Okay, well, working. So that came up. LED, I think, is glowing. Yep, it's very faint, but it's glowing. We have some barring on the screen, but that looks as though it's working. Keyboard is working. Apart from the barring on the screen, we seem to be having a working Commodore 64. Wow. So now we just need to check out the rest of it at some point. So here we have all of the keys taken off using the little tool down there, and this is the state of the keyboard. A few splashes, but generally it's in a pretty good state, just dusty. Keys need to be cleaned down. So the next thing to do is I'll just spray this with some isopropanol, clean this down, and then we can put it all back together again once the keys have been washed out. And we'll put it all back together again once the keys have been cleaned down. One cleaned Commodore 64 keyboard. So I haven't retrobrighted this, but it's good enough, I think, just to clean all this down. So everything underneath has been cleaned up and all the keys have been washed down as well.